Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your speaker JBL Grip. And we have two options how to enter prank mode. The first one, at the top of the speaker we have power button. Is to turn on your speaker, press and hold the power button one time. And if your speaker do not connect it with other devices, the speaker enters to prank mode automatically. You will hear the prompt and this LED light start flashing white. Also, we can enter to prank mode manually. So you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button after you turn on your speaker. And you will hear also the prompt and this LED light start flashing white. Here we go. Now we should see this speaker at the device list. So let's check it. Settings, Bluetooth, and now we should see this speaker. Let me turn off and turn on it, and as you can see right here we have the speaker, so we did it. Now you can easily pair it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.